All right, today's Tuesday, so I wrote it in the wrong square. Fractions, decimal, percent. Your homework is all today. This will be our last day with fractions, decimals, and percents. So, September 9th, September 2nd, and our last day on fractions, decimals, and percents. We should not be on technology anymore. We're now switched over. Okay, we started this on Thursday, so this is quite a few days of this.
Wait, we did start on Thursday?
Yeah, because you guys finished the map before my other students did.
So we're back.
All right, so we have our notebook out, ready to go. Okay, here we go. If I give you 1/2, how do I turn this fraction into a decimal? Divide. Very good. How many times is 2 going to 1? 0. So we add a 0, decimal, 0. So now I have 10. How many times does 2 go into 10? 5. 5 times 2 is 10, 0, 0. Okay, so now how do I turn 0.5 into a percent? What do I have to do? Move it twice. So I have 0.5. I'm going to move it 2 times because there's 2 E's, 1 and a 2. What do I add in this space that's here? A 0. So what percent is this? 50%. Okay? So this is how I change a fraction to a decimal to a percent. Woo! Okay. Then 3/4. Divide. What number goes inside? 3. And the 4 would go outside. Does 4 go into 3? Nope. So I'm going to add a decimal, a 0, and another 0. So now I have 30. How many times does 4 go into 30? 7. What's 7 times 4? What's my remainder? 2. But we don't have remainders in 7th grade. What do we have to do? Add a 0. Bring it down. So now I have 20. How many times 4 are going to 20? 5 times 4. 20. 0. So I have 0.75. I'm going to use the word deep. 0.75. How many times do I move it? So what is our percent? So these are our 3 answers. 75%, 0.75, and then the fraction. So you have to be able to do all 3. Fraction to decimal to percent by divide. Okay? Any questions? So what if I make it easier? What if I make it easier for them? Are we okay? Did we finish copying? I hope everyone's copying. I'm not doing it for my health. Everything. Everything I write, you write. Okay, 0.67. 0.67. Oh, I forgot. I was going to change it because I did a second pair and everybody's like, ah. And I'm like, oh my God, I'm going to change it. Yes. Okay. What percent is 0.67? What percent? Thank you. 67%. Now, what fraction is 67%? Fraction.
Oh, 6, 7. Oh.
Okay, question. What are percents out of? What are all percents out of? Out of what?
Decimal.
Oh. Like when you take a test,
A 0.
you want a 0 on the test?
I mean, I've gotten a 0.
Okay. What percent do we want to test?
I mean, like a 90.
100. So 100. So it'd be 67 over 100.
I got it right, yeah.
Also, the 7 is in the hundredths place. If you know your place value, the 7 is in the hundredths place. Okay, 0.19, Andrew. If it's 0.19, what percent would be 0.19? 19%. Now, what fraction would 19% be? Very good. Because percents are always out of 100. You got extra credit. So, what if it's 0.8?
8%.
No. 80. Because how many times do you move it?
Twice.
1, 2. What do I add right there? 0. So it would be 80%. What fraction? Whatever your percent is. Once it's in a percent, then you put it over 100. Whatever the percent is, you put it over 100. Any questions? Okay, can you guys find me the worksheet from Friday? Find it? I thought it was at 0.
I only had a 3. You had a 4. I know you would.
Wait, what do I do?
Stop buying the I'm on you guys. So is it 80 out of 100?
All right. Find it.
You're supposed to do it?
Take it out.
Do all the,
Take it out. And just
I'm sorry. I mean, I'll clap.
all right. We did not have time to finish, so we're taking it out right now. Okay, we're practicing what we just learned in review. So this is right here. What we just did, it's the same answer. Same answer. This one. Number 2, you did it in your notes. So copy from your notes. If you did it from your notes, just copy it, Sophia.
I knew that.
So you already have it in your notes, copy it down. You have it in your notes, no need to reinvent the wheel. So copy it from your notes, you have it in your notes. Number 2, you have it in your notes. Literally the last thing we did. Where? Hold on. Don't copy. Andrew, turn around. I taught you in the notebook. I've been teaching this since Thursday. So look at your notes from Thursday. All right. Okay. So number 3. What would be the? I would do the percent first. So 1.07. What would be the percent? You got extra credit on that one. What would be the percent of the front side? All right. Good. ¿Cuál es el porcentaje? Entonces no es 8%.
How long are we going to be working on percents and fractions?
All right. So, what percent is number 3? 107%. So now, Alan, now that I have the percent, whatever this is will be in your fraction. Now, what are percents always out of? 100. So let's write down our fraction out of 100. Now that you have the percent, you're going to write down whatever that number is over 100. Whatever the number is, over 100. That's your fraction. Whatever the number is, over 100. That is your fraction. What's the percent? 107, right? So now write it as a fraction. Take the number, 107, and write it over 100.
It's technically Monday. What is that handwriting?
What are percents always out of? What are percents always out of?
100.
Yeah, look at all these fractions you wrote down. Your goal is to finish this worksheet, so if you want to, yep,
When is it due?
today,
Nah.
¿cuál es el número?
Nah. That's good.
No le quites número. Ajá. ¿Y cuál es el denominator?
Why is it saying blue?
What is it? 100. Yeah. Pero acá le falta 3, es 80. Sobre 100 y acá 460. Se mueve 2 veces. Ahorita mismo está mero atrás. Móvelo 2 veces adelante. 2 veces hacia adelante. I'm gonna go over it. Alright, where are we at? Are we done? How about now? What was that? Yes, Andrew. You're all done? Okay. So, fraction, decimal. I think you guys can all do that. Really easy. Super easy. Muy fácil. Do you need tissue? Okay. Alright, let's fill in this, and this. Here's my decimal. How do I turn it into a fraction? And then, or a percent, and then that. So let's fill in all the boxes. So if this is my decimal, what's my percent? If this is my percent, how would I go backwards into a decimal? Yep. Your percent symbol though is kind of weird. Where's your percent symbol? Perfect. What percent would that be? Maybe that would help me write it as a fraction. Perfect. Good. Yeah, so what percent would that be? Como clase no estamos simplificando. Estamos siempre. Denominator.
Oh, what the hell?
Where's Chris? Chris, wait. Why are you trying to take a photo of Chris?
Okay, Andrew, turn around.
I'm not even that. I am already done.
You're going to be taking, Andrew, we're going to take pictures because you still are missing the second page.
The second page. Yeah.
Alright, ¿cómo se dice? ¿Cuál es siempre es el denominator? Pero el número de arriba es el porcentaje. El número de arriba es el porcentaje. Fraction is take a percent and write it over 100. So whatever your answer is, you write it over 100. Write it over 100. Good. Yep. Alright. Are we still recording? Yes, we are. Don't. Okay. Does anybody know what the word odd means in math? Not even.
We're supposed to write that?
Odd even. Who can give me an example of odd numbers?
3,
3, 1,
8,
5, 7,
6,
not 6,
9.
not 4. So, odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7. So, stop. You're only going to do the odd numbers, meaning 1, 3, 7, so on and so forth. All the odds. So you're skipping all the evens. You're skipping every other number. Okay? So let's look at number 1, because number 1 we're going to do the odds. Los impar. Okay, number 1. I have a fraction. How do I change a fraction to a decimal? I divide. If you need your multiplication table to help you divide, please have it out. Please help yourself. Now, you're always going to show me work, so here's Miss O'Malley showing work. What number goes inside? 2 and 5. Remember, top number in and out. In and out. So, in and out. Top number. I wanted in and out, but there was no parking. All right. Does 5 go into 2? Nope. 0, decimal, 0. How many times does 5 go into 20? How many? 4. 4 times 5? Okay. So now what you're going to do is, this is my decimal. Now I want it as a percent. So Jaden is correct. It would be 40%. Because how many times do I move it? Twice. What do I add here? A 0.
I knew that.
Okay. Are we doing number 2?
Nah.
We're doing odd numbers, right? So are we doing number 2? Nope. What do we jump down to? Number 3. Okay, this is where some of you work faster than I am, and you get this done as soon as possible. Others, you're still kind of staying with me, but I'm slowing down. So, let's try number 3, to the best of your ability. Número 3, ¿cuál número adentro? ¿Cuál número afuera? And then change the decimal to a percent. Move it twice, move it twice. Good. Now, after you're done with number 3, what number do we go to? 5. Odd. Sometimes on your homework, you're going to do odd. Yes. Porque estamos haciendo los odd. Hay que dividir, ponle un punto y dice, no. Good. Multiplication table if you need it. ¿Cuánto así va a ser 40?
I hate the back.
All right. So we go 0, decimal, 0. How many times is 5 going to 40? How many times is 5 going to 40? 8. 8 times 5? 40. Okay. 0.8 would be what percent? 80%. Okay? Go. Keep going. Keep going. So once you're done with this part, over here, first thing, the decimal to a percent. So how many times do you move it? 2 times. So we're going to move it 2 times. 1, 2. So it would be 62.5%, right? 62.5%. But we're not done. Now I need the fraction. So here's my percent. How do I write that as a fraction?
100 at the bottom.
100 at the bottom. And then this number, the way it looks, just the way it looks, you're going to write it in there. Because percents are out of 100. Yeah. Have you gotten used to like right-handed scissors? We should try practicing by okay, we're only doing the odds. You know what? Let's do the first. Just do the first 6. Okay, I'm gonna change it on the back for your class. Back for period 3. Just want you to do 1 through 6 on the back. 1 through 6 on the back. The other class I had all the